Hey, what's up guys? So today I am going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Google Home Mini. And the Google Home Mini was launched back in October of 2017, almost a year after the original full-size Google Home. It has the same functionality of the regular Google Home, but in a much smaller package. So let's go ahead and see what we get. Starting off with the box, we get a little picture of the Google Home Mini itself. This is the chalk color. Google Home Mini branding, Google branding. On the side, we get a list of the compatible services and a side profile. On the back, it lists some of the features. On this side, it highlights some commands you can say to the Google Assistant. On the bottom, we have some of the legal information and barcodes. We also have a little rip away tab here to open the package. So let's go ahead and cut open the plastic. So we'll just cut it away at this corner right here. And we have, of course, that little paper tab right here that we can just pull. So this should just come open. We have nice protection here for it to not move around during shipping. The Google Home Mini itself, with this orange silicone base, micro USB power, your microphone toggle. Keep it off to the side. It's like a quick start guide. Little setup guide. Safety warranty information. And some quick starter commands. And we have our power adapter. It is just a standard micro USB cable. It is permanently plugged into the power socket, so you can't remove it. And I think that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and plug it in and see the initial startup. We do see the lights flashing to let us know it's booting up. We have that little sound.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
So I will go ahead and download the app. So let's go ahead and launch the app, Google Home. Skip the tour. So let's get started. Then I will choose my email. So this is my home, I think, from the Chromecast. So yeah, so that's part of my Chromecast. So I can add a device, set up a device, set up new device. Next, it's gonna look for devices. So it did find the Google Home. And the lights did turn blue on the Google Home. Success. Yes, we heard the sound. Sure, what the heck. This is going to be located in the family room. Choose my Wi-Fi network. And I'll enter my password. So I have entered my Wi-Fi password. And you can see the little loading dots. It's connected. Next. So I can do voice match, so I can recognize different voices of the family members. That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna teach the assistant to recognize my voice. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Hey, Google. Hey, Google. It's pretty neat. It's kind of like setting up Hey Siri. Okay, it's been set up. I agree.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant,
So
here
there's-
to help you throughout your day.
There's 2 different voices you can choose from.
Here are the voices you can pick
Male
for
and
your
female?
Google Assistant. If you like this voice and want me to keep using it, just stop here.
So it automatically puts in your address based on location. And I will enter the proper address. This is not correct. So you can add all your music streaming services. I'll do that later. You can add your video services, such as... So you can add your video services such as HBO, Netflix. Let's not do that right now. Next. Family room speaker is ready. That's it.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Hey Google, what's the weather today?
In Fremont today, it'll be rainy, with a forecasted high of 64 and a low of 54. It's currently 61 and cloudy.
Now the speaker itself is pretty loud. It sounds a lot better than the size of the Google Home. So that's pretty much it for setup, and we can play around with it now, and that's pretty much it. So in order to control the volume, all you have to do is press on the sides. So pressing on the right side increases it, and pressing on the left side reduces it. That's pretty neat. At launch, there was a touch surface on this, but so you could just press it and talk to it, but they removed that feature since a lot of times the Google Home got tricked, got confused, and started recording audio, even when no one touched it. So they deactivated the feature altogether. So you can't touch it anymore to speak to it. You have to say the command word. So it's very unlikely they'll ever bring that feature back. So another cool feature with the Google Home is that you can ask the assistant to put a YouTube video on one of your TVs with a Chromecast or a casting system enabled. So, okay Google, play no copyright music on the master bedroom TV.
Sure, no copyright from Spotify. Playing on master bedroom TV.
So this is pretty cool. It can put up music or even a video if you ask it to off YouTube, Spotify, or any of the compatible services. So here's another example using YouTube. Okay Google, play no copyright music on YouTube on the master bedroom TV.
Okay, playing a YouTube mix of no copyright music on master bedroom TV.
So this time it's going through YouTube. So it'll just pick a random video and we'll cast it to your TV. So this is pretty cool. And if you want it to stop, all you have to do is ask it to stop it. Okay Google, stop casting video to the master bedroom TV. so then it returns back. So that's pretty neat. In addition to controlling your TV, you can also control smart thermostats, such as this Nest. So you can say, "Okay Google, set the temperature to 77 degrees.
You got it. Setting the living room to 77 degrees.
And it automatically sets the temperature on the thermostat. So that's pretty much it for the Google Home, guys. If this is your first time stopping by, please subscribe to my channel, leave a like on the video, and I'll see you in the next one.